This type of a car bomb which happened on the CRP convoy on 14th, as you are all aware, it happened after a long time in Kashmir, and with this type of intensity, it had not happened earlier. However, similar incidents have happened in the other countries, in Syria, in Afghanistan, in Pakistan earlier, and since this modus operandi now has been started by the terrorists, we are alive to it, we are keeping our tracks open, and we are keeping all options open to deal with this type of modus operandi in future. At the outset, again on behalf of the complete security forces team in Kashmir, I would like to pay our homages to the brave martyrs of the CRPF who attained martyrdom on the 14th of February in the Pulwama explosion. Our heart and our feeling and our sympathies and our condolences go to the families. I also like to pay homage to the martyrs of yesterday's operation. Yamin Kamran was Chief Operations Commander of Jaish-e-Mohammed in Kashmir. He was a Pakistani and he was being handled by the Jaish-e-Mohammed of Pakistan in conjunction with ISI and Pakistan Army from across the border. So he was the top commander of the Jaish-e-Mohammed which carried out the 14th February convoy attack. So we have eliminated the top commander of the Jaish-e-Mohammed which carried out the attack. Now whether who was involved, what was the role of each and every other player in that attack on the convoy, as I told earlier, is a matter of investigation. I would not like to share the operational details of that इंसिडेंट. जैसे कि आपने कल जैश-ए-मोहम्मद का रिलीज भी देखा होगा, उन्होंने ये कबूला भी है कि उनका चीफ ऑपरेशंस कमांडर जो है इस हमले में मारा गया है. तो पाकिस्तान आर्मी का इन्वॉल्वमेंट इसमें 100% है, इसमें मेरे को और आपको किसी को कोई शक नहीं. I also like to inform you that success of this operation within less than 100 hours was a result of complete synergy between all security forces, may it be Army, JKP, SOG, CRPF or the intelligences. We are working in complete cohesion and unison. We are very clear, anyone who enters Kashmir Valley will not go back alive in whichever way. So our focus is very clear on counter-terrorism operations. Definitely the recruitment has come down in the recent months and that's a good sign. I would like to compliment the Awam of the Kashmir for this and the youth. Anyone who has picked up a gun will be killed and eliminated unless he surrenders. I would also like to tell one thing to the parents of the local youth, especially the mothers, because I understand and I know in a Kashmiri society, mother has a great role to play. Through you, I would request all the mothers of Kashmir to please request their sons who have joined terrorism to surrender and get back to the mainstream. Anyone who has picked up gun in Kashmir will be eliminated unless he surrenders. The encounter, because of the leftover explosives, it may cause damage or injury or death to anyone who comes to that place. So it's my humble request to everyone, please stay away from the encounter site during and after the encounter.